Exercise. So today we will be working on this exercise, adding slicer to filter your report. So I've already downloaded the file. So it's saying that add a table with the following columns. So what I will do, I will just add one table, and then we need to add location, class, level. First is this location, right? Then class, then level, and then class date and sum of attendees. Class date and then sum of attendees. Right. Now we have taken all these filters and then add slicer for the following columns. So first of all, let's say we add one slicer, which is class date. Make it a bit short. Then we will copy this and paste. We will add another slicer, which is day of week. Let's remove this. So we will copy and paste this, and we will then again take another slicer, which is level सब के निकलेंगे. So and then the last slicer would be class. So now we have added all these. So if I click on advanced, then only the advanced level will come here. Then if I select any bootcamp, then the values for bootcamp will be there. And if I select only on Monday, then it will give us the data for Monday only. So this is what we need to do in this exercise. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.